This is a 2006 Triumph Tiger 995i that I just bought for $300, and I'm going to make it into a diesel motorcycle. I've been wanting to do this for about 20 years, and I don't want to spend a lot of money on it because I don't know if it's going to work. And this is the third step in my progress. I bought a transmission, I bought a motor. I didn't buy a motor, I got a motor for free, and I rebuilt it. And this is what it's going to look like, hopefully. I'm going to take a bike that has 108 horsepower stock and hopefully put a motor in it that has 20 to 30 horsepower on it and probably 30 to 40 pounds heavier. It doesn't make any sense at all. It's just something I want to do. The bike's pretty rough. I'm going to hopefully be able to use the dashboard, I don't know how I'm going to make the speedometer work or the tachometer work or any of the gauges work. There's a lot of unknowns. I can't even start this bike as it is. It's missing some critical components, including a battery, the injectors, fuel pump, and a lot of the fuel tank components. I do like that there's an electric fan on the radiator, which I'm going to use because the diesel motor that you'll see later has a fan built into it that would be on the side. Probably have to just delete the front fender unless I can find one for cheap. I'm probably going to keep the fairing because it covers a lot of the guts up there. I don't know if I'm going to use those or not, but I definitely want to use the headlights. Yeah, it's been pretty beat up. I do like the foot pegs. I do like the brake lever. That's another thing. I don't know how I'm going to make the stock shifter work because it's part of the motor and mine will be part of a Harley transmission. I'm going to yard the exhaust. I'm going to get rid of the baggage holders that I don't have the baggage for. The rear tire is completely toasted. Looks like somebody did a big fat burnout on it. There's threads showing. This is the motor that I'm going to put in it. I got this a year ago and I rebuilt it over the winter and it runs great. You can see the Harley transmission behind it. That's what I'm going to use. I actually bought that 12 years ago for $300 from an employee that needed some money. I don't know if it's going to work. I don't know how Harley transmissions integrate to a motor. I do have the clutch pack, but this actually right after this video I started the motor and it started right on the first whatever, it's not really a key turn, but I jumped it and it ran. Pretty excited about that. I'm gonna have to line up all these components, get them in the bike somehow, hang them from the frame, make sure the frame doesn't collapse because I took out the stressed member. That's kind of what I'm hoping it'll look like in there. That's the right orientation. And I also bought a turbo, and it was $100. It's a common hop up turbo for this 722 Kubota. It's a small motor. It's smaller than the one that it's replacing, and it's diesel, and it makes very little power. It's going to be super fun. So there you go.